This video, we're going to talk about 5.2 Objective 2, where we determine whether or not statements about standard scores are true or make sense. So decide whether the following statement makes sense or does not make sense and explain your reasoning. My professor graded the final score on a curve, and she gave a grade of A to anyone who had a standard score of 2 or more. So this makes sense because a standard score of 2 or more corresponds to roughly the 97th percentile. Though this curve is stingy on giving A's to students, it's still giving the top students the highest grade. So again, we would have to look at our Z table to see that, but we could see that roughly with our 90, our 68, 95, 99.7 rule here very quickly, just with an estimate. So here's that. And two standard deviations to the right of the mean is here. And we want to see what the percentile is here. So we have 50% over here, and we have 34% here, and then we have another 13.5% here. And so this is 84 plus 13.5 is 97.5. And again, this is just a good estimate approximation, but this is where they're getting that 97th percentile idea from. And so anybody who finished with a grade higher than a z-value of 2 when standardized got an A, and that would mean that there were out here roughly somewhere between 2.5% to maybe 3% of the students got A's. And that's not unreasonable, right? Like it says, stingy, but not completely unreasonable. All right, that's it for this video. We'll come back next time and talk about 5.2 Objective 3. See you for the next video.